All right, so good day, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel, welcome back to the channel. A quick preview to our upcoming World Cup qualifying game, Jamaica versus Dominica, not Dominican Republic, Dominica. The last game that we played on Thursday, we played the Dominican Republic. Now this is Dominica, two different teams. One country is on the island of Hispaniola with Haiti. The other country is in the Eastern Caribbean. A lot of people seem to be getting both countries confused. Two different countries, right? So we're going to be playing Dominica on Sunday. The game starts at 3 p.m., I believe. Hold on, let me check that. What time the game start again? Totally forget what time the game starts now. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. the game starts. Boom. 2 p.m. the game starts. So you guys can look out for that. You guys can watch it on the Concacaf YouTube channel using a VPN. You can use an American server, USA server, for those who are struggling to find these games. So, ladies and gentlemen, the match pretty simple for that one here, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, gentle reminder, I want to know the YouTube stuff, but I now kindly asking you guys to knock up the likes button, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the match on that one are real simple, ladies and gentlemen. Really simple match. It's not too complicated. It's not really hard to figure out. Dump up time, ladies and gentlemen. Dump up time. Grimmy, not less than 5. Not less than 5. And I think that is very reasonable. That is very reasonable. As a matter of fact, when you push it, go up a little further, 5-2 reasonable. A 5-0 scoreline is too easy a task for this game. Honestly, 5-0 is too reasonable a ask. It should more be 6 or 7. 5-0 is very reasonable, ladies and gentlemen. Honest to God, man. That's not too difficult for ask of Grimmy and the Reggae Boyz down in Dominica. That's not too difficult for us, ladies and gentlemen. We're not even for going on a deep analysis or nothing like that. A bug side is as simple as that. A bug side is we're supposed to slap with that side here and a brush with that side here. And I deal with them wicked. Guatemala, an inferior team to us, dump up that side of our 6-0 them give them the other day. Here Grimmy sit down in an interview at talk about I'm paraphrasing him, I'm not quoting him verbatim, but something along the lines of basically, we can't really read too much into that. Them did have visa issues, going into the game and them arrive later, something to that effect. I'm paraphrasing him, not quoting him verbatim, but along those lines. Brother, me don't want to hear no excuse. Me don't want to hear it sound like you try for set to up, so if the team not perform up to what is required from the Jamaican public, brother, nobody the foolishness in a gaffer, not less than 5 gaffer. Not less, I will not accept, not less. Brother, if you come back a yard with a 4-0, brother, we are going to cause a dog rotten, brother. If you come back a yard with a 3-4-0, brother, in a business if you have 90% possession, brother. In a business if you take 100 shots and the keeper save half of them. Not less than 5. That is a very reasonable ask. Me no want to see no 2-0, me no want to see no 3-0, me no want to see no 4-0. It's as simple as that. Front foot total domination. Wipe the floor with Dominica. It's as simple as that. A bug side. Me I look on the man them side, and most of the man them side are amateur footballers. The man them are not even a professional. A bug side this man. Come on, man. We must can go out there and assert with dominance, and I don't even think if you beat that side at 10-0 that would be a statement in a Concacaf, to be honest with you. So I'm not even going to say a statement victory. Bug side this man, the boys supposed to go out there and basically have fun. Enjoy themselves. the few chances them are gonna get in our World Cup qualifier for really enjoy themselves on a football pitch. They need to take full advantage of it. Go out there and go enjoy on yourself, man, and boost on the ego and flatter on yourselves and leave the pitch feeling like una big star ballers and una play for big side. I don't want to see no 2-3-0. I don't want to hear no foolishness about all them park the bus and pack up the team in front of the goal, and they were very hard to break down, and they played very well, and they were very organized and all sort of manner of foolishness, and them scrap it out and them fight it out. Yo, I don't want to hear none of that, brother. None of that. Total annihilation. And that me expect to see tomorrow at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. As simple as that. As simple as that. Two of the things that I had knocked the boys for in the game against the Dominican Republic was I had said that the team never really looked like them did get out of third gear. The tempo could have been better. You know, the gaffer put it perfectly in his press conference that the tempo, you know, he expects the tempo to be better. And also, I had said as well that the creativity, there was a significant, the team was lacking creativity. With the exception, obviously, of Ronaldo Cephas, who was the only one really creating anything of note throughout the entirety of the game, right? There was a one play when towards the latter stages of the game when the substitute Dishy Beckford did create a one big chance for himself. But, well, yeah. But apart from that, the team was seriously lacking creativity. That Africa improved. I expect a starting lineup that is more attacking minded. You know, the starting lineup against the Dominican Republic was more of a cautious starting lineup. You know, a play it safe kind of starting lineup. That was the vibe that I got. You know, the players that were playing in that game, like the Bozas, the Antonios, the Bobby Reeds, the DJs, the Damian Lowe's, with the exception of Cephas, those players are not really known for creativity. Like a Bobby Reed and a DJ are more link men. You know, we know what Antonio and Boza and Damian Lowe are all about as well. So I expect players in this team against Dominica to be the type of players you will be fielding that will pick the lock, so to speak. You know, that may expect to see players in the starting lineup that will open this Dominica team up. Because obviously them are going to try to lock the door power. So we need to have players on the pitch that will open them up. So that is something that definitely needs to improve the creativity. A more creative, a more attacking minded starting lineup would be appreciated, Gaffer. You get what I say? Decision making, you know, the decision making could also improve as well, you know. The decision making could also improve as well. So that would be nice as well. Seeing, but yeah, man, Gaffer, dump up time. You need to get the memo. Hopefully you have read the script. It's dump up time, not less than 5. And that is a very, very, very reasonable ask. We expect the Reggae Boys to go out there against Dominica tomorrow at 2 p.m. and put on a show for us. We wish the Reggae Boys all the best on their quest for yet another 3 points. Knock up the likes button on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the content as well. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.